Fun fact, did you know about 80% visible skin aging like wrinkles, dark spots, etc. occur due to the harmful UV radiations from the sun? Maybe you do know this, but did you know most of the sunscreens in Indian market will eventually damage the skin and in the long term may actually cause skin aging due to the formation of harmful free radicals? In this video, I'll explain the truth behind some of the best selling sunscreens in Indian market that are either a waste of money or are potentially dangerous in my opinion. And I'll provide the scientific data that led me to my such opinion, because otherwise why should my opinion matter, right? So let's get started. So this sunscreen has a nice lightweight texture that suits almost all skin types, has a broad spectrum UV filter system. So then what's the problem? Firstly, it has oxybenzone or benzophenone 3 as a UV filter. Oxybenzone is a very controversial ingredient because it readily penetrates the skin and reaches the bloodstream. It has been found in urine samples of people who applied it on their skin. Scary, right? Some experts argued just because it penetrates into the skin doesn't mean it's harmful, especially at low concentrations as used in sunscreens. But one study found that oxybenzone, when penetrates into the skin, releases loads of free radicals that can damage the skin. It was also found that the amount of free radicals produced by oxybenzone are even more than the free radicals produced by sunlight when the skin is exposed to sunlight without any sunscreen. Also, many studies clearly indicated that oxybenzone is a photoallergen, meaning it sensitizes the skin in presence of sunlight. Also, on top of it, this sunscreen has fragrance too that will further increase free radicals when exposed to the sun. Looks like a festival of damaging free radicals. So honestly, I would stay far away from this one and would never recommend it to anyone unless they change the formulation. Next sunscreen, La Shield IR, is meant to protect you from UV radiations as well as infrared radiations or the heat waves, because infrared radiations do penetrate the skin and cause skin damage. But if you look at the ingredients, this sunscreen also does have problem. So this sunscreen has some newer UV filters like Tinosorb S, DHHB or diethyl amino hydroxybenzoyl hexyl benzoate. Good job Chitralekha, you pronounced it. So these are stable UV filters that are excellent at protecting the skin. It also has Thermus thermophilus ferment, which is a good antioxidant and may protect the skin from infrared radiations. But it also has diazolidinyl urea. This particular ingredient can break down releasing formaldehyde, which can irritate the skin and also has some cancer risk. This sunscreen also has perfume in it, and let me tell you, perfume is not good for the skin. But perfumes can be especially harmful in sunscreens because number one, you wear a sunscreen liberally and also reapply the sunscreen throughout the day. So that means applying a bit too much of fragrance that can definitely irritate the skin. Number two, you wear a sunscreen before going out in the sun, and perfumes can break down in the sun and release free radicals. So please avoid fragrance or perfume, at least in your sunscreens. Overall, this sunscreen is not the worst thing in the world, but considering its price, I don't think you want to spend that much money for a sunscreen that has potentially damaging ingredients like this one. However, the mineral sunscreen of La Shield, the La Shield Physico sunscreen, is a very good sunscreen with a good ingredient list that I'm really fond of. So it has newer UV filters that are effective and photostable. Great! But the very second ingredient is alcohol. It means they used alcohol as a solvent, and which means it's present at a significant concentration. Now, it's a proven fact today that alcohols can damage the skin barrier. Regular use of skincare products containing alcohol can dry out the skin, can make oily skin even oilier, can irritate the skin causing redness, itchiness, etc. Secondly, this sunscreen also contains fragrance. And remember what I just told about fragrance? Also, alcohol and fragrance is like the worst combination ever. Firstly, the alcohol disrupts the skin barrier. Secondly, the fragrance penetrates the disrupted skin barrier and irritates the skin deep within and results in a chain reaction of free radicals. What is it? A skin damaging pro-aging ceremony? Also, considering the high price, this sunscreen from Biore is really a waste of money. However, this is my opinion, and at the end of the day, I'm not forcing my opinion on anyone. I'm only giving you some science-backed information, and if you still want to buy and use it, you are free to do so. Although very affordable and popular, Nivea sunscreen lotion does have fragrance as well as alcohol. So the same issues with this one as well. I won't recommend this sunscreen ever. So did you find this review useful? If yes, do let me know in the comments because that means a lot to me. And thank you for watching this video, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also hit the bell notification so that you don't miss my videos.